coaching staff because during their last game against UP, they were trailing behind UP when they were under Coach Edget Mabayad. Habang ngayon naman ay they were also trailing
Hindi.
during their last set under Coach Roger Correa.
Si ano yan eh, McGregor.
The mental toughness and the composure of the Lady Bulldogs to recover themselves in this game.
A combination of fire and ice. This coaching group of National University with head coach Roger Correa, with coach Edget Mabayad, his assistant.
Mal.
They balance things out and they hope that they could be a combination for these young ladies here in the UAP, because in the off-season, nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-successful itong NDU, lalo na sa V-League, which is now the Premier Volleyball League.
That's right. So a lot of they've been together for quite some time. So
May santol si Malo.
dito sa Edge, makikita natin they don't have a full lineup as compared to the other teams. Sila lang yung talagang team maximum ang nasa lineup.
Huli ay karatagis man ng Menjora, santol, tapos rambutan, nag-picturean. Kasi imakon upang picturean, nag-imakon. Ano man natin, nakaibog-ibog kung man yung prutas.
That's right. So a lot of volleyball action continuing
Bilat daw. Halika doon, ikutin natin yung kaparani ng Agnes. Meron kaming ubas. Ayan. Oh, dami oh. Daming sili. Tomato. Saan ang Agnes? Daming bunga. Ayan. Dan. Ayan. Ayan. Meron kaming ubas. Ayan o. Ayan o, ayan o. Ayan, ang bunga. Limang bunga ng ubas. Ayan, papaya. Hi, papaya. Si Malo. Mal! Lika nga. Lika, dali. Lika. Lika. Talong. Yan, bulaklak. Wow, orchid. Wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. Di karpo. Ang saging. Ang ganda, no? Mababa lang. Pero may bunga. Here I am, playing with those memories, the dreams. Yan. And everything I can you make you feel. Wow. Wow. Ang galing. If only you can stop the rain, but I was thinking without you. I was thinking about you. Just when I thought I'd resolve you, just when I thought I could spend for my own. talong, okra. Mal! Ika. Mani.
Ay, hindi ko tamadakpan hangin manas pag-duong-duong at magkirin. Mga alas 6.
Ay, kanugon ting pumilo. Pinagaksa na matabi. Kuntay bisa na at yang kunta.
Kaya ko nga ni at ay 3
Mm.
na tumis
Anay, tagali man.
Hindi, pas na kapag si babaw ay
Gai man. May bunga ing atis. Imong ano? Chico.
ay nakinaw.
Ah. Merong chico dun, oh. Chico, chico. Papaya. Kalamansi. Yan. May bungang kalamansi. Yan, oh. Sili. Bayabas. Daming bunga. Puso. Oh, baby. Uwi na tayo.
All the might and power of that hit. Sika ni Vito out of her 2 attacks.
Ayan, oh. Langka. Ayan, langka. You want langka?